What's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a quick tutorial showing you how to actually download a TikTok video from TikTok without the watermark so that you can repurpose and reuse it on other platforms. And I'm going to show you how to do this without using any third-party apps, okay? I'm all about simplicity, so anything just to make it simple. I'm using my iPhone. As you can see, it's over here. So all you're going to do is pull up TikTok and say you are going to click on any video that you want to download. Okay, so I'm going to do just this first one that I have pinned, the must watch TED Talks. So I'm just going to pause it, that way it doesn't play. Then what you're going to do is click over on these three dots in the bottom right hand corner. Then you are going to click Save Video. Then what you're going to do is immediately back out of the app for just a second. And you're going to go back into TikTok. And as you can see, it's going to finish saving down here on the bottom. Okay, once it's done, click Done. I'm going to go into my camera roll and I'm going to look at the last video. And as you can see right here, it does not have a watermark. Now, I will add real quick that I'm not sure if this is just a glitch from TikTok, but use it to your advantage while you can. And we can check the description or head over to my channel, subscribe for more tips and tricks to help you get started building your business and brand online. Bye for now.